Often called a ghost shark, the chimera glides through the dark waters with an eerie elegance. It uses specialized electroreceptors to detect prey hidden beneath the sand. With its smooth, almost otherworldly appearance, the chimera provides a link to the ocean's prehistoric past, thriving in the quiet solitude of the deep. The coffinfish's bloated body and tiny, beady eyes make it an unusual sight on the seafloor. This peculiar fish can inflate its body when threatened, puffing up to avoid predators. Its unique shape and strange appearance are a reminder of the fascinating adaptations that deep-sea creatures develop to survive. The leafy sea dragon's delicate, leaf-like appendages make it a master of camouflage in kelp forests and seagrass beds. Resembling floating seaweed, this gentle creature blends perfectly into its environment, feeding on tiny shrimp and plankton. Its intricate, natural disguise makes it one of the most beautiful fish in the ocean. Resembling a delicate piece of lace, the basket sponge's intricate structure provides both habitat and camouflage. Attached to the ocean floor, this deep-sea sponge filters tiny particles from the surrounding water. Its lacy arms create a mesmerizing underwater display, showcasing the delicate beauty of life in the deep. The snake dragonfish, with its sharp teeth and elongated body, is a fearsome predator in the deep sea. Its sleek form and dark coloring allow it to blend seamlessly with the black ocean depths, giving it the advantage of surprise when ambushing prey. This elusive hunter is built for survival in the dark. Drifting in chains through the water, salps are transparent, barrel-shaped organisms that filter plankton from the ocean. These graceful creatures move by contracting and expelling water, a motion that propels them forward. Their ethereal, jelly-like bodies make them look like delicate jewels floating in the deep. With bright red lips and an unusual body shape, the red-lipped batfish is a curious sight on the seafloor. Using its pectoral fins to walk along the bottom, this fish's unique behavior and striking appearance make it one of the ocean's most unusual residents, perfectly adapted for life on the seafloor.